This might be like one of them scary movies. You know, when you see somebody about to open the door in a scary movie and the scary movie music is playing and you're thinking, don't do it, don't go in there, don't open that door. Well, I want to look underneath this Jeep to see what we got for rust under here. So, this is the part that's rusty here. Now, what I like about this is that even though this part out here is rusty, under here, see that lift, that thing right there? It's not rusted out. And the floor here, that's not rusted out. There's a little rust right there. Y'all can see that. I may have the camera too close. Frame ain't bad looking. Let's go inside the frame here. Alright, now what we're looking at here is the floorboard. And even though I see some rust and some of that old coating is missing, it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any holes. Back here, let me move that camera around to a different hand. Although I see some surface rust, I don't see any holes. Now it's interesting, look at that drive shaft. If you can see it, get a light on it. You know, that thing looks like it's got leprosy. It's not rotted out, it's just got a little rust stuck to it. Ain't that odd? So that side over there, in fact, there's a little wet spot here. This is probably leaking a little oil here. So I'm gonna check the oil level on that transaxle right there. But over there, I don't see any rust all the way out to the edge, all the way back to the back seat. So I did put a new muffler on there. Cadillac converter. Got some rust on it, but I believe it might be a new Cadillac converter on that thing. Not that we need it anymore on this new one. But, yeah. Y'all see that? The stuff there. That's funny. This could all do with some paint and stuff. But I'm not unhappy with anything I'm seeing up under here. Let's go around back and around to the other side. See if I get me a panel. The panel should go up to the top of here. Now the bottom of this door looks interesting. Let's see if I can reach up there and open that. Okay. This is the inside of the bottom of the door. And I think with the light, see there's a little hole here, but it ain't bad. It ain't, that's the plastic cover on the outside of it. So, that's removable. Now if you look up in there, if you can see that, get a flashlight up in here. Now this is the door skin. Y'all see that? So that door skin up in there, bad, needs to be replaced. These rubber things need to be taken off. And need to be able to get to that rust up here, but I just leave them on for now. There's no use in yanking them off till I have to, but I can see that I'm going to want to put some plate. I was online looking last night. They make some nice corrugated aluminum plates that cover all this. It's not cheap though, you know. I think enough to do it all the way around on both sides. I think it's about $300-400. It's kind of a lot. I just telling my buddy I got several cans of old enamel paint out there in the garage that somebody gave me years ago. And the cans are probably about rusted out, but the paint itself is still as good as it ever was. There's a flat tire machine. I turned my driveway. Yeah.